Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys can't really tell, but we are filming in a different location. We moved into our apartments a few weeks ago, so if you guys hear any random noises, although our neighbors are pretty quiet, but if you do hear something, it's probably from outside or our neighbors or something. Anyway, today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I didn't really want to call it a tutorial because it's the same techniques that I've been using in my past videos, even my past videos from last year. But yeah, no big plans tonight, just going out to dinner. So I'm just gonna do a simple, quote, natural look. It's what I've been recently wearing on Instagram a lot. A lot of you guys said that you really liked it and wanted a tutorial. So I thought, why not just do a get ready with me? Because it's super easy. Like I literally use my finger to put on the eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm gonna use some old products, some new products, give you a little bit of insight on the newer products, especially the Dose of Colors foundation that I'm gonna be using today. So that is it. I guess if you guys want to see what I'm going to come up with, then keep on watching. Also, my nails are really messed up right now, so don't say anything in the comments about it. Anyway, let's get started. First item I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Mattifying or True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. Can't see it, it's white, but yeah, this is their new primer that just launched recently. I have been using this for a few days. I really like it so far. I like the texture. It does a good job of priming, so I've just been using it more and more just to see or to get a feel of how it wears. But so far I haven't had any trouble with it, so no complaints. Foundation today, I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. This is in the shade 122 Medium Tan. I'm gonna apply this to my plastic LA Girl, I don't know what they call it, but I'm just gonna apply this. I'm gonna dot this on my forehead first. I'm gonna blend this out using their new beauty sponge. I actually like using it with the beauty sponge. I think it works really nicely and it makes it look nice on the skin. I usually apply my foundations with a brush, but I have been wearing this foundation ever since I received it in PR. If you follow me on Instagram, I did like a mini wear test and it wears really nice. I had it on since the morning till like 9:30 at night, and it still looks really good. No creasing in the smile line, so I really like this foundation so far. It has a matte finish, but it's not extremely matte. I would say it's like a natural matte finish. So I'm not really a big fan of super matte foundations. So even though this is a matte foundation, it still feels really nice and lightweight. I'm gonna apply this to my forehead first, and then I'm gonna go in and do my brows. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the NARS eyeshadow base. This has been an old favorite of mine. I just like to blend it out with my fingers, pat it in. So for my look, I'm gonna try to do more of like a shimmery lid. I'm gonna go in with the new Colourpop and Halo Top collab, and this is from the strawberry shade flavor. Is that what it's called? Strawberry shade. They come with 2 Super Shock shadows in each bundle, they called it. So there's 4 of them. This is from the strawberry bundle. This is in the shade called Very Sweet. I'm just gonna take my finger like so and just swipe it across the lid. It's just gonna be our only lid color. I'm gonna wipe down below. Out. Okay, so I'm gonna curl my lashes now and apply some mascara and some falsies. I feel like the falsies make the look a little bit more glam, as people say, because they're natural but they're really wispy. So I really like these lashes. I'm gonna use my Mercier eye curler. I have been really liking this eye curler lately. It really curls my lashes. So I'm curling with that. Wow. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Mascara. For my lashes today, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. These have been a big favorite of mine. I have been wearing this a lot lately. I actually haven't even worn my Iconics in a long time. So these have become a new favorite. I just love the way that they look. So I'm gonna apply these on. So I'm just gonna finish up the face now. So it takes about 1.5 pumps for this foundation. To get to the coverage that I really like, it's a medium to full coverage. I find that my face does not get cakey like the more I build it up, so that is a huge plus for me. They sent me 3 shades from the collection, kind of all within my skin tone range, just depending on if I'm darker, lighter, more neutral. So this is the darkest one that they sent me for my skin tone. Okay, moving on to concealer under the eyes. I'm gonna go back in with that Fenty Beauty Concealer in shade 310, and I'm just gonna apply it to my inner corner only. So what I've been doing lately is after I blend it out with the pointy end, I go back in with the rounded side and just blend that in using the leftover foundation that's on the sponge, just to kind of blend it in with that foundation color so it's not too bright. I'm gonna take some of that leftover concealer shade on the pointy end and apply it on my nose. I'm going to try this for my setting powder into Bake. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Cashew. It's in the travel size, but it's close to my skin tone, so I'm gonna use this to set my under eyes today. I use this to set my face, but I've never actually used it to bake, so I guess I will see how it goes. I am going to start bronzing my face. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer in Island Ting. I obviously really like it. Look how dirty it is. This is gonna be my bronzing shade. I'm gonna use this Smashbox buildable cheek brush. It's small and very fluffy, and it's at an angle, and it's become my new favorite brush for bronzing. I'm also going to contour my nose with the same shade. I'm going to go in with the Morphe 458 brush, which is my favorite brush to contour with. And then I'm just going to blend it out with a fluffy brush. This is from Sonia Kashuk. It's an older brush, so I don't know if they still have it, but it's number 109. And then to bump up the bronzing part, I'm gonna go in with a darker bronzer. This is Caramel Cutie, also from Fenty. I'm gonna take the same brush and lightly bronze up some more. For my highlight, I'm going to use two. I'm going to use a liquid highlight and a powdered highlight on top just so that I could get the maximum glow. I've never tried this before, but this is the NARS Orgasm liquid highlighter. I'm just going to get that on there and then apply it to my plastic holder. It's a lot. Oops. I'm gonna take this on my sponge and just apply it straight on the high points of the cheeks. For my powdered highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. And I'm going to apply that using the Anastasia A23 brush, I believe. It came off, so I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's the A23 brush, and I know that it's from Anastasia for sure. This is my favorite highlight brush, so I'm just gonna put it on top. For my blush, I'm gonna go in with the Alamar Cosmetics blush trio. I'm gonna take this shade in the middle. I believe it's called Isla. This I'm gonna apply using the Mercier Cheek Color brush. Go back in with that mascara, and then I'm gonna apply this to my bottom lashes. For my lips, I'm gonna go with a nude, of course. I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Slide On lip liner. This is in a shade called Beyond Nude. For my lips, I'm gonna use the new Colourpop Just a Tint lip crayon. This is in the shade called Z Boys. I believe this is in the coconut bundle. Either coconut or peach, I don't remember, but it smells really good. If that completes this little get ready with me video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed this natural, simple makeup look. If you guys do recreate it, let me know, because I know it's super easy, and a lot of you guys were asking if I could do a video, and a lot of you said that you love this look, but I have to give it all to the lashes. I think the lashes make it look more glam than it is. But yeah, I really also like this Dose of Colors foundation. I've been wearing it for a few days and it has not disappointed me. So just makes my skin look really nice. So if you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to post more on YouTube and also Instagram TV as well. If you guys haven't checked out my IGTV videos, go check it out on Instagram. I think that's it. I don't really have anything else to mention, any new products. Oh, maybe one little thing. The only thing that I did off camera was my hair. I put in some more waves because it was a little bit straight and it looks kind of messy right now. But I have been loving this new toner that I have been using to keep my hair nice and toned. It's from IGK. It's called the IGK Mixed Feelings Concentrate Drops, I believe. The bottle is somewhere. It's somewhere over there. But they have been a lifesaver. I have loved it so far. And it's not like your typical shampoo, it's drops. So you would put it in to your styling products instead. I put it in my leave-in conditioner and also my creams that I use before I curl my hair. And this is what it looks like. So that has also been a favorite of mine. I think that's all I have. I'm not gonna keep going on because I'm gonna get distracted and I don't know what else to say and it's gonna become really awkward. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.